Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 10 and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and disregard this automatic swipe. Anyway, so we should have pages like this. Now on one of the pages we will see a screen recording toggle. For me it is on the second page right over here, screen recorder, as you can see. So all you need to do is simply tap on it. First time around it will ask you for permission to a couple different things. We're gonna allow all of them while using the app. Then we have screen recording and we have a couple options. So we have record audio, internal audio, which is basically the audio that the device will produce. So any kind of music or stuff like that that is coming off of it will be recorded. And we also have the microphone as an option. So you can choose whichever one you want. And then below that we have show touches. So we have touches and touch tracks. Not exactly sure what that is. So I'm going to actually change it to this because I'm actually curious what the touch tracks are. Anyway, from there I'm going to select start. It will give me a 3-second counter and then begin recording. Oh, that's what it is. So it shows you like a line basically where your finger is pressing. So anyway, whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded by the device. So I was looking for Netflix, but I don't see it here. So anyway, I'm just gonna stop the recording by interacting here and selecting the red square. Now the reason I was looking for Netflix is because Netflix is one of those applications that has more control over your own device than you do. Meaning that when you try to screen record Netflix, it just completely blocks it. Literally what you will get is a black screen. Because why would you be able to choose what your screen recording can record on your own device, right? Anyway, Netflix won't be the only application that does this. There are more reasonable applications that will do this, like bank applications. But these do this actually for security purposes, unlike Netflix claiming that it's doing it for security purpose, just not your security, because that's what you're literally lacking here. Anyway, once you finish up the recording, you can find that screen recording in your gallery application. And it's going to be visible under photos for some reason, but we should also have it under albums, and it's in videos. Unfortunately, ASUS didn't come up with the idea to make separate albums for screenshots and screen recordings, so, well, screenshots probably they did, but screen recordings are just placed in videos. So later on, once you do any kind of like video recording with your cameras and screen recordings, they will be all jumbled up together in the same folder. Anyway, from here, you can just tap on it to watch our video, and there we go. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.